Welcome to the channel. I'm Jay Malone. We've got a lot of products that have been sent to me, and I want to go through these really quick just to show you what has been sent to me. I want you to stick around to the end, and then after you've seen these products, let me know down in the comments which products you would like to see more of. All of these won't make separate videos on the channel, but I want to know which products you're most interested in seeing more details about, and then I'll try to make some videos over those products. If you're new to the channel and you're not aware of it, I've had a kidney tumor. You can see more about that kidney tumor journey here. It's been a couple weeks since surgery. This is my first official video. I did a live stream the other night. You can watch that, give you a little bit more about my health update, but overall I'm doing well. So let's jump into these products. First off, we have this Max Professional Microfiber Easy Chamois. This is something that you can use to clean TVs, laptops, electronics. Yeah, this is something here that is, yeah, it's just a microfiber cloth. So yeah, it's kind of cool, but definitely not probably something I'll make too many videos about. But yeah, thanks to Max Professional for sending this over. I'll find some good use for it. Okay, next up I've got this, and this is a clock. I knew they were sending me this. I'll open it up to you. It's an alarm clock, but it's supposed to be a mirror. Yeah, it's a oh man, look at that. I made a mess. Okay, yeah, this is a rechargeable alarm clock, or I guess, I believe you can recharge it, or you can just, it has a battery here, but you can also plug it up. Has USB ports on the side. It just looks like a mirror, but when you turn it on, it's supposed to be an alarm clock. So yeah, I have a USB power cable in here. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. I may have to check this out. I'll leave a link to every bit of this stuff down in the description if you're interested in looking at it. I don't even know the name brand on this. It doesn't say. So yeah, I can see the numbers in the background there a little bit. But yeah, this is kind of interesting. Okay, let's move on to this right here. This is by Yochos, Y-O-C-H-O-S. And this is an armband to use for running, jogging, whatever it might be. Just pull it out, take a look at it. It's supposed to fit pretty much all of the phones. I did tell them that I had an iPhone XS Max, so they said it would work for this. It even has a little touch thing here if you do have the fingerprint scanner. I believe it's supposed to work with that. So yeah, this is kind of interesting. A place for a key. So yeah, this is just an arm strap that you can wear when you're running, jogging. Thanks for sending this over. If I'm not mistaken, the same company that sent me this also sent me this little watch case. This is a screen protector case. Let's open it up, see what it's about. Okay, I've done other watch cases on here before. This is interesting. This is a little bit different than any of the clear cases that I've seen in the past. It's got clear on the front and then black around it. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I'll have to test that out, see how that works. And we've got some earbuds. These are wireless earbuds from CSHID World. I'm not exactly positive how you pronounce that. Truly wireless earbuds. I actually have got two different kinds of earbuds. These are from a different company, Hobest. So yeah, let's open these up, see what they look like. So yeah, they come with a case, I guess similar to like the AirPods. The case is a charging case. You get extra tips here. The cable. Let's see if we can open it up. Okay, here's the case. You got a little battery indicator there on the front. You hit the button, you have the battery indicator. Yeah, this is kind of neat. Open it up, and there, it's got the little magnetic, similar to the AirPods. These are the earbuds here. So let me see if we can pull one of them out. Yeah, that's pretty small, guys. That's interesting. These are kind of cool. They look nice. The case is nice. So yeah, if they work good, that's very interesting. So yeah, there's some little wireless earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds for you. Let's open the others, see what they look like. In fact, I'll keep these open and we'll just compare them. All right, these are from the Hobest. Looks like it's kind of a similar design. Let me open this up. Here's the case for it. I don't see a battery indicator button on the case. See if I can get these open. Okay, it isn't really magnetic like the others, but yeah, it's still interesting. They're still pretty small. They are a little bit larger than the others. I'll open them up side by side. Yeah, there's what we're looking at. So in the description, I'll list these first and then these. Check them out. We'll see what the price difference is. I'm not even for sure at this point exactly what the price difference is in these two earbuds. Let's move on to something else. Next, we have a microphone from Pop Voice. I believe this microphone was less than $10, and it works just like I use these little lapel microphones here into a recorder. It works like that, or you can also use this for phones and tablets. At least if you have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, then you could use this with your phone as well. It's very interesting that you can get a mic for 10 bucks. Comes in a little case, or a bag, I should say. Looks like it's got some extra windscreens. And here's the microphone. And it does have the adapter. That's where you can see that you can use it, I believe you use it with your phone just like this. If you're going to use it with a recorder or a camera, then you would need to put this adapter on it. So yeah, that's really interesting. A cheap microphone. We'll do some testing, see how it sounds. But yeah, I think this is very cool. I'm saving these two boxes right here for last. Let's move on really quick through these. This is a cell phone case. It is by Pitaka. It says a mag case. So yeah, this works with the mag mounts. And if I remember right, this actually said that it was bulletproof material. I'm not sure how that works. We'll open it up and take a look at it. It says seamless carrying experience. And yes, on the back it says, what is Pitaka? It is the thinnest phone case made from bulletproof materials. I really don't think this would be bulletproof, but I'll open it up, show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's a nice looking case. The packaging is nice. Feels very cool. Kind of has a little carbon fiber print there on the back of it. On the inside, you can see a design. I guess that's showing you kind of where the magnetic mounts are in here. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I really don't see how this would be bulletproof at all, but it's very interesting. Next up, let's open this little box here. I believe this is another phone case. This is for the iPhone XR. This is a leather case. I don't see a name brand on this anywhere. The leather doesn't feel bad at all. It looks pretty decent. It's got a couple buttons here on the side. I'm not sure how well that would stay in there, but yeah, the buttons are, I guess it's a plastic or maybe metal. It's kind of hard to tell for sure here, but yeah, leather case. It's not too bad. Let's move on to these items here. First off, this is from Joy Room. This is just another AirPods protector case. I've reviewed one before. This looks to be fairly similar. I can open it up. We'll take a look at it really quick. Okay, this one definitely feels different. The other one was just a silicone, and I don't actually see what this one is made out of. It says full protection, high quality materials. It looks like it does come in different colors. This is the black one. So yeah, this looks pretty good. This is different than the silicone one that I reviewed previously. It does come with a little brush, I guess, to clean out your AirPods because they can get lint in them. And then looks like a little lanyard that you can connect the AirPods to if you actually want something holding the two together. And it comes with a carabiner clip here. So, okay, we're wrapping it up, getting close to the end of this. But check this thing out. This is a Bluetooth speaker. I already looked this up. It's a fully functional Bluetooth speaker, but it is also a hidden camera that you can access from your phone from anywhere as long as there's an internet connection. Let's open it up. Check this out, guys. This is a fully functioning Bluetooth speaker. And there is a camera in this. And I cannot even see the camera right now. They're not lying when they say this is a hidden camera, because somewhere in this little band right here is a hidden camera. I know that because I looked this up, but yeah, okay. When I get it just right in the light underneath it, I can see a small little camera, I guess, right there. but you really cannot see this at all, especially just setting somewhere. This is pretty cool. I believe you can put an SD card in this, and you can record video straight to the micro SD card, or you can access this over the internet and view it in real time. So this is pretty interesting. What could we use this for? I mean, what would a person need a hidden camera like this for? This is very interesting, so that's something we may have to check out more later. All right, we're down to these here, then these boxes. These are more phone cases. These are from iPulse. These are leather cases. I believe this was for the iPhone XS Max, and it looks like a book there. You can see the spine of it. But yeah, it opens up, has places for credit cards. It's got a little plastic bumper around it. Then folds over like that. It has a little magnetic closure there. Feels pretty good. This is interesting. I think this one is similar to it. This is just a black leather. But yes, it does have the place for the credit cards and all inside. This looks really nice. I'm not really into the folio cases for my phone, but this looks really nice and feels good. Very interesting. Thanks to iPulse for sending over these cases. Okay, this box is from Totally. I knew they were sending me this. We'll get it open. I'll show you what they sent. Okay, they sent these cases here. I believe there's some cases and also a screen protector. Got a little thank you card here, a note thanking me for checking these out. So yeah. Let me show you the screen protector first. These are supposed to be completely edge-to-edge screen protectors. And I'll be honest with you, we've already tested one out and put this on my son's iPhone XS Max. He got a new phone and needed a screen protector, so we already used that one. This one, I believe, is just for the iPhone XS. It has a little black border around it, and then, of course, it is a screen protector. So yeah, this goes completely edge to edge, and it's a very nice screen protector. It went on very easily whenever we tested it on my son's, and it looks really good. I'm pretty impressed with these. Now let me show you these cases from them. Okay, they do a slim and minimal phone case, and let me open it up and show it to you. It says they're California based, and it also said there's a 2-year warranty. The cases are extremely light. It doesn't feel like there's anything in here at all. When you take a look at it, it is very thin, very minimal. I cannot see that this offers any protection at all other than keeping you from scratching the back of your phone. To me, that is all of the protection that I see. It is very, very thin. This isn't a case that I would use, just simply because there's not really anything to this. Some people that don't use cases, but they want something so minimal, I mean, this would not take up any bulk at all. If you want something extremely minimal, just to keep you from scratching the back of your phone when you lay it down, then try something like this. Okay, now let's move on to this box here. This is from a company called Armband. You've heard me talk about them before. They make different cases for phones, for iPads and stuff. They make some fantastic cases at a great price, and they sent me a box here. So let's open it up, see what they sent me. First off, they sent me an iPad sleeve. Yeah, this is a zippered sleeve, neoprene, I guess, is what it feels like. This is pretty nice. Yeah, feels like it would offer great protection. Also has a little pouch here on the front of it. So yes, this is very cool. We got other goodies in here. Looks like they sent me a cup that I can use. Thank you, guys. This is a cell phone ring holder stand. Okay, yeah, the little rings that you can mount on the back of your phone. That's what that is. That is from Supcase. And we have several cases. Let me just pull all of these out real quick. Okay, these are cases for the brand new Samsung Galaxy S10, and looks like we have some Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, which is an excellent case. I see a white, blue, pink, and a purple. I will just open one of these right now. Let's take a look at the blue one. Nice looking case. This is a case that comes with a belt clip, a holster. So yeah. Wow, that's a nice looking case from Unicorn Beetle. Comes with a little stand on it. I love their cases. Their cases are all very economical, I should say. They feel great and they will not break your bank. Yeah, and they have good holsters. So yeah, this is very nice. Assume all of these are the same, probably the purple, pink, and the white. Very cool. See what else we have here. This is another case from Supcase Unicorn Beetle. It is just the bumper. This is very nice feeling though. Oh yeah, this is a much better bumper or a slim case than the others. I'm sorry totally, but this is by far a better case. Feels amazing, looks great. Has the cutout for the cameras there, so yeah, this is completely cut out. This feels really, really nice. Way to go, guys. And I know you're asking me, you know, in your other video, you said that you're not going to get a Galaxy S10, so how are you going to test these? Well, guys, I have a dummy phone. Just going to be honest with you. This is not a real phone. You will see me testing with this. This is a dummy phone that doesn't work. This is just used to see how these cases are going to be. So yeah, that's how I'm doing it. I'm not going to lie to you or try to convince you that I have a Samsung Galaxy S10. I don't. I just have the dummy phone. So now let's look at these last cases here. These are from iBlazon. Yeah, so let's check out these cases. This is a two-part case. It's a case that has the screen protector, the front of it, and then the back here. This is a very nice case that would let the color show through. And yeah, this is very cool. Has a good feel to it. I like that. There's 3 more cases here. We'll open these real quick, take a look at them. Oh, here we go. Here's something with some color in it. It's like pink and gray marble. So yeah, that is very nice looking. Wow. Yeah, and kind of has almost a rose gold or a pink gold there. Has a very nice looking case. Just the bumper. Offer decent protection. Let's look at the other one. This one is just like the other one, just for a larger phone. And let's look at the last one. Glittery purple. This is their Cosmo series. Yeah, feels good. It's almost a 2-part case because there is a little clear bumper, I think, that goes around a hard plastic part. Yeah, this is pretty for all the ladies there with like a purple glittery case. There you go. And there you have it, guys. This is my first product haul video. Be sure and let me know which product you would like to see a little bit more about, and I'll try to go in depth and make a few videos over some of these products, something that you're interested in. So yeah, just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're most interested in seeing more about. Thanks for sticking around to the end, and thanks to all of these companies for sending me over these products. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.